A defendant isn't liable for negligence unless the defendant's actions proximately caused the plaintiff's injury. Proximate cause ensures that defendants are only held accountable for harm within the reasonable scope of their actions. In Taylor v. Jackson, we consider whether the lapse of time will prevent a finding of proximate cause. One evening, Diane Klop was driving on an interstate highway when she abruptly stopped in response to a sudden heavy downpour. Immediately behind Klopp was a tractor-trailer driven by Monty Jackson, who jackknifed to avoid a collision with Klopp. When Jackson's truck came to rest, it was blocking both westbound lanes of the highway. Traffic immediately began to back up. Minutes later, a power line owned by Pennsylvania Power and Light Company fell, for unknown reasons, across the highway. Shortly thereafter, a second collision occurred as traffic slowed behind Jackson's truck. Approximately 1/2 mile from the initial accident, a tractor-trailer driven by Chester Whatley rear-ended a car operated by Marita Schroff. 2 hours later, a third crash took place when Joseph Questor recklessly drove his delivery truck past a state trooper rerouting traffic and struck several vehicles containing, among others, Valerie Taylor, Joan Lindau, and Myron Lindau. Taylor and the Lindaus suffered serious injuries and filed suit against Klopp, Jackson, Pennsylvania Power, Whatley, and Questor. The complaints were consolidated into a single action. The defendants moved for summary judgment, arguing that no reasonable jury could find that their conduct was the proximate cause of Taylor's and the Lindaus' injuries on account of the time elapsed between the first two collisions and the third crash. The trial court agreed and granted the defendants' motions. Taylor and the Lindaus appealed.